Why don't more people have awesome transformations or just fit bodies? It's so simple. Stick around. I'm going to tell you exactly why and what you need to do to have the body that you want.
My name is Joey.Saavedra and I lost over 100 pounds in less than 1 year. Subscribe to my channel for legitimate weight loss advice and tricks.
Imagine dreaming of owning a Ferrari. What would be your choice if I asked you whether you wanted to do what you thought was the right steps to owning a Ferrari, or if I said that you could acquire a mentor who already has a Ferrari that can teach you how to get your own Ferrari? So if you have a fitness goal, wouldn't the same concept apply here? You see, what you need is information, knowledge, and wisdom. If you just so happen to find a message in a bottle that was a blueprint on how to go exactly from where you're at to where you want to be, a step-by-step blueprint, exactly how to go from where you're at to where you want to be, what you want to have, wouldn't that be so much easier? Like, would you ever quit your goal? Really, when you're setting goals and you want something that you don't already have yet, if you had the right knowledge, if there was a step-by-step program or a step-by-step blueprint that you would actually just, okay, I have to do this step, and then I have to do this step, and then I have to do this step, and then bam, I get what I want. Doesn't that just make sense? So if you want something, then you have to find the right information. You have to find a mentor that already has what you want. They can tell you the steps of what to do to get to your goal. I love to study what I am interested in. And I am very, very interested in weight loss and fitness, which is exactly why I am absolutely so fired up to be releasing my blueprint to success on a weight loss journey with you guys. I am fired up about this. Not many people actually have blueprints to success when it comes to weight loss journeys. Sure, they have programs, they have diets, they have methods or whatever, but no one really has the credentials that I have, which is obviously my credibility in losing 110 pounds in a year. Not many people that have done that has actually created a step-by-step blueprint for people to follow so that they can achieve the same exact success. It's literally like, you want that Ferrari, I have the Ferrari. I will give you my blueprint to success so that you can do exactly what you need to do to own that Ferrari. I am also going to be mentoring you personally as you go through your journey. So click on the link in the description, okay? I have laid out everything for you guys. Click the link in the description. There's gonna be a video telling you exactly what is in the blueprint. Whether or not you want to pursue something that I have personally made for you and your specific goals, then there should be at least one thing that you take away from this video. It is that you have to first identify what you want. What is your goal? If your goal is to lose weight, then what is the next step? The next step is to find the right information, okay? Because you can get fed the wrong information or get misled into believing something that doesn't actually work or won't work for you. That's just going to deter you from your goal. But like I said, if you have a goal, you can find someone to mentor you for free, which is why I'm making this video, because my YouTube channel is all about free content. You should be subscribed to my channel right now because I drop videos every single day. You have to choose someone or a couple of people and listen to what they have to say. Find people that you trust online, whether it's me, whether it's some other guy or some other gal. Find someone on YouTube and just follow along with their videos. You don't need to be following 100 different people getting everyone's different input. Find one or two people that you completely trust and then just watch all their videos or read all their blogs or just listen to what that one person has to say. Because if you get input on one thing, which is your goal, from 100 different people, you're going to be confused and lost as to where to even begin. So whether or not you choose to subscribe to my channel or watch my videos, I strongly would recommend that you just put your trust into someone that you can trust and listen to what that person has to say to get you from where you're at to where you want to go. So I pray that you guys find the right mentor for you, the right coach, the right guide, whatever you want to call it, someone that can help you get you from where you are to where you want to be, okay? Because it's going to be so much easier than just trying to do what you think works or what you think will work. Just duplicate what someone else has already done and then cut out all the time of trial and error, all that frustration, because there's a possibility that you could give up while trying to do it on your own because you don't know what's going on. You're gonna get frustrated and say, oh, it's never gonna work for me, I don't know what's going on, instead of just listening to someone who's saying, dude, just do this, 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 and you're gonna get what you want. So I hope you guys really took something away from that video. If you did, please go ahead and leave a like on this video. I love you guys. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I will see you guys tomorrow morning.